Hi, I'm Eli, and I make games. So this is a little short, quick video while I'm making another bigger one. That one's taking a while, so I figured I'd do this. So I've been using Unity for 2 years now. I did drop it for a little while in that period, so it's more like 1.5, but I still say it applies. So here's just my impressions, cons, pros. Just get her done. I'm gonna start with cons. I don't know, I just want to get the bad stuff out of the way. Personally, I don't like the animator system. I find it kind of clunky to animate things in Unity, and I still barely understand how to use the animator itself, which kind of I need to learn how better, and I'll probably, it's probably a great thing, but, I just don't understand it, and I don't really like how it's set up. So that's just me. I do know that, it's great for things, but I just don't like it. The fact that a lot of features you have to download separately per project is annoying. For instance, Cinemachine, a program which allows you to create custom cameras very easily that are very smooth. I use this in almost every project I make with Unity, and every time I have to download it again and again and again. And all these add-ons and things, you have to download them again and again. Why aren't they just built in? Some like Cinemachine I understand, but there's other tools that they feel like they should just be built into the program. And it's just annoying. I still don't understand how to make shaders. One time I was like, oh, I'm gonna do this, and I opened it up and it showed me a bunch of code, and I was just like, I have to learn a new programming language for this? I don't know. I know a lot of people like it like that. I haven't actually tried Shadergraph, which might be more up my alley, but even still, that's just something. It's not really a con, it's just bit of a barrier to entry. But here's another one. Sounds a little nitpicky, but the shadows, they almost always look weird. You look at my Unity games, and you'll notice whenever there's a shadow, it's almost completely dark. There's no light that comes in, which it's not very realistic, but so obviously you put in the HD render pipeline, right? Yeah, I did that and about crashed my computer because most games struggle to run it. What was that? And probably what I need to do is make a shader, but I don't know how. So the shaders look weird. I feel like that's something that could be fixed. Yeah, but get away those negatives. Let's look at the pros. First of all, C# is a great programming language. It's object-oriented, which always makes it easier. You're using methods. Great. I like the interface. Great programming language. Tried other programming languages, and I think C# is still my favorite. And so, good job. Also, the Unity interface, it's not being the best, it's pretty good. The fact of the matter is you kind of just have to organize it, set it up to where it works with your workflow. Initially, I don't really like the default setup. I find it clunky and annoying, so I just made my own, and that's great. The fact that I love having editable interfaces. They make things easier, and they make things so that it works for you. The fact that you can edit variables and other things while testing, have the game running, this makes playtesting and everything so much easier. Instead of having to run the game, test it out, turn it off, go back, change the variable, going on. No, I can just do it while doing it, figure out the value I want, turn off the game, and then set that value. It's that simple. It's amazing. It's great for playtesting. It's something that I think more game engines have. I've tried some other game engines and stuff, and I obviously also use GDevelop. And now GDevelop does have this feature. It's not as great. It's kind of clunky still, but at least it's there. But just more engines need stuff like this. The fact that you can do this in Unity is awesome. And lastly, I would like to say the payment system, I think it's pretty good. The fact of the matter is, based off of how much revenue you make off the game. So I mean, it makes sense, if your game's making enough money, then you should obviously be able to pay for your tool. It makes sense. But the fact that you can just completely do it for free initially is great. And I mean, I'm probably never going to make that much money off one of my games, so it's almost always going to be free for me unless, I don't know, I get some big success, but like, that's going to happen. But like, good. So yeah, that's my impressions on, Unity Game Engine. That's 2 years now, more like 1.5, just because like what I said at the beginning. I know this video wasn't that great, it was very long. Life's been happening, school's back up, the stuff, but it makes it hard to make videos, and videos I'm trying to make are trying to be of higher quality, and they're a little longer, meaning that it takes longer to make videos. Whoa. Oh yeah, the video I'm working on right now probably will come out in a week or 2. I don't know, kind of depends on what happens, but yeah, this is this short little video. What do you think of this? What are your opinions? Put them in the comments down below. Check out my games where you're at it. About a third of them made with Unity. Boom. Amazing. I know. You probably saw footage of them in this video. But yeah. Like, if you don't like it, send it to your mortal enemies and make them like it. And subscribe. Peace.